Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Wala nagsasalita. Ghost call. I'm not able to hear anything from the other line. If you can hear me, please call our hotline again. Thanks for calling and have a great day. Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello? Sasalita. Is there anybody on the other line? Ako, natatakot na ako. Minumulto ata ako dito. Since I'm not able to hear anything from the other line, I may have to disconnect the call. If you have account concerns, please call us back. Thanks for calling. Bye. Hello, thank you for calling customer service. This is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello? TL, nakatatlong calls na ako dito. Wala pa rin talaga ako naririnig. Puro ghost calls. Tingnan mo nga. Paano ko maririnig ng customer? Hindi nakasaksak yung headset mo. Kakaloka ka talaga, Beverly. Kasak mo na yan. Sige po, TL. Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you?
Hi, I need help with my password to my email.
Ito na naman to customer na to. Lagi na lang nakakalimutan yung password niya. Abutin na naman ako dito ng 2 hours.
TL, may 2 latency.
Sa akin din po, TL. Guys, lahat ng affected go on system aux. Beverly, stay on the call. Okay naman yung call mo. Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you?
Darling, I need you to check my bill.
You got the right person to help you out. Can I have your name?
Lakeisha Johnson.
How are you, Miss Johnson?
How dare you ask me that question? I get a $50 extra charge on my bill. Why don't you go check it out for me?
Ma'am, I understand your emotion about this.
I bet you don't. You can't even explain why my bill is high. You guys are ridiculous. Can you just please let me speak to your supervisor?
I got into your account already. While I am checking the details, if I may ask, how are you doing today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing good as well. I actually just started my shift. How's the weather there?
Well, it's a bit humid at 65. Where are you guys located?
We are here in the Philippines and it's extremely hot this past days. Yesterday it was actually 45 degrees Celsius.
And what is that in Fahrenheit? Because we don't use Celsius here.
But it's raining now.
Hi, I just got into a divorce and I need help making
I'm
change.
sorry to hear that, ma'am. I know that it must be challenging for you to be in that situation.
What are you talking about? I've waited for this for years.
Ma'am, we are almost done with your order. I just need to check some details. Oh, I hear your dog in the background. You know what? I also have 2 dogs. I call them Brownie and Whitey. Well, because that's their color. You know, just for me not to confuse myself.
Are you talking about my son? Because I don't have a dog.
Kapatay.
Ma'am, I can help you out with your concern. There is no need for me to transfer you back into the queue.
Again, I don't want to speak to someone from the Philippines. Transfer me now or I'll speak to your...
Hindi siya kapabalik sa queue.
Ano ba yan? May call? Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you today?
If you're from the Philippines, then I don't want to talk to you. I was just speaking to another lady from that country.
Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you today?
Well, I'll be your nightmare, and I hope you have patience today because I have a lot of problems with you guys. There's an agent named Carla from your company who promised me to get a free phone, but I called back and other reps say that you don't carry that promotion.
Guys, yung next na matatapos sa call mag-aux training ha. Meron tayong isang slot. Ayoko na yan, TL. Magko-closing skill na ako.
Ay hala, na-drop yung customer ko. Ako na mag-ops TL.
Sige, go. Grabing queuing ngayon. Nakakaantok pa. Kapag kape nga. Ay! Mas malamig pa ito sa inom ng pusa. Paano ko ito inumin? Aloka na nga. Ano yung kinakain mo?
Potato chips, masarap. Pinautang ni TL sa sahod bayad. Gusto mo?
Sige daw. Tikim.
Ay ma'am, bawal po pagkain dito sa loob ah. Ano na lang po pangalan niyo. Hi Beverly, QA John here. Mag-observe lang ako sa calls mo today ha.
Sige po, sakto. Paano ko pala ito i-de-escalate? Eh, hindi ko rin naiintindihan yung bill niya.
Nakalimutan
Last
ko
year
may
pa kasi
calibration
ito
pala kami.
Yung dispute
Balikan na
niya.
lang kita mamaya. Sige. Beverly, tabihan muna kita ha.
Ay,
Mag-observe
sige
lang
po,
ako sa'yo.
pwede po bang tulungan niyo rin ako dito? Nakasukol kasi si TL eh. Hindi ko ma-change yung plan ng customer ko. Ito po yung
Sige.
error, oh.
Nag-refresh ka na?
Opo.
Nag-exit ka na sa account niya tapos bumalik ka
Tapos
ulit.
na rin po.
Nag-restart ka na.
Bakit? Ano pong connect?
Ay siya, antayin mo na ng TL mo. May meeting pala ako. Sige na.
Hi, Beverly. I'm Marvs from the HR department. I just want to sit
Sakto.
beside you to check
Yung
any
mga stand po
concerns.
kasi ng keyboard, palaging nawawala. Kaya minsan pilay sila. Tapos yung CR sobrang baho. Pati na rin yung sleeping quarters. Tsaka, kailan ba kayo magpapalit ng concessionaire sa pantry? Nagsasawa na kami sa mga ulam doon. Minsan panis pa yung nabibigay sa amin. Tsaka, may paham na ba kayo this Christmas?
Sorry, I have a schedule hearing pala. I'll get back to you na lang ha.
Ma'am. Bawal po natutulog dito.
At bakit?
Kunin ko na lang po
Nung ikaw ba
pangalan
natutulog
niyo.
dun sa entrance, ginising ba kita? Nung nakita kita nagsiselfone, tapos tinatago mo sa CCTV, sinumbong ba kita? Ano ka?
Eh sige po, wag na lang.
May sahod na kaya? TL bio break lang po.
Sige, go.
Sana naman may sahod na. Refresh. Ay, wala pa. Balik na nga. TL, bio break ulit.
Bilisan mo, queuing tayo.
Okay po. Sana naman meron na. Refresh. Ay, wala pa rin. Balik nga ma. TL, bio break po ulit ako.
Ano ba yung GSA? Paulit-ulit ka ng bio break.
Basta po TL, nahihingi lang po talaga ako.
Bilisan mo.
Man, this time, meron na. Ay, meron na. May sahod na. Perfect. Guys, may sahod na.
Sahod na daw. Uy, check nyo.
Kulep, may sahod na. Nag-check ka na? Check mo,
Mamaya
baka
ko
may
mag-check.
dispute ka.
Di ko pa nga nagalaw last sahod ko eh.
Ay, taray. Sandy, may sahod na. Ano plano?
Ay talaga? Tara, Samji tayo. Pero, doon naman tayo sa
Tamang-tama. May
bago.
napanood ako sa bagong vlog. 499 lang. Doon tayo.
G!
Tasha, may sahod na.
Talaga? Tara, siya tayo mamaya.
Alam mo naman
Sarap
di
na
ako
sa
umiinom. Tsaka, magsasabji kami ni Sandy mamaya.
Ha? Sige.
Buti na lang malaki sahod ngayon. Dami ko pa namang bills. Rent, kuryente, tubig, internet, food allowance, pamasahe, insurance, savings. Ay, walang ganun. Sa next payout ko pala ako makakahulog sa savings. Kaloka naman itong mga bills na to. Nagsasabayan sa isang pecha.
Gisa yung bayad mo, kanina ka pa nag-a-announce ng Oo, mamaya sahod. Transfer ko sa'yo. Tapos, pa-renew ko ulit ha. Anong renew? Eh, pumasok yung incentives. Napadapat pera. Eh, sakto lang sinahod ko. Eh, wala namang incentives doon. So, alam mo na, may dispute ka te. Pumasok na incentives.